All right, let's see what we have going with Aussie dollar. All right, so if euro dollar is pulling back, then we should have some form of a pullback also on Aussie dollar. It looked like we might have one on gold. That's the one we just did a few minutes ago. Looking at this, price action obviously came down from this pivot high here. It had been tanking this whole time. We finally got down here to some nice strong, what is that here? That's support. That's what that is. So that's a major support level there. So they hit that and now they're on their way back up. At the very least, we have to get here. But this here, I don't see this holding. I believe they're going to come all the way back to the top of here somewhere. So our issue is we're in the middle of this pullback and we need to figure out where are we going from here. I have a sell order here. So we know we're going up big picture, but right now they hit this area. If you guys look here, it's pretty wide too. But if I go like maybe there, and let's say there, this whole area, all of this consolidation back and forth, that's what this is hitting. And because it's hitting it, that's what caused it to come down. These buyers got to fight all of this consolidation. So when they come back up, they're going to add a lot more orders, which is going to push it really hard. That's where we get those pops from. That's why you get those spikes in the market, because they have to add a tremendous amount of orders to break through all of this pressure here. But as of right now, they're losing the battle. It's coming down. They're attempting to come back in here one more time, as you can see, but they just hit uh, another area of resistance here. So let's look at that closer. Because let's see. Yeah, that's still resistance. That's a nice resistance area too. All of this here. So they're back into this consolidated area again. That's what's causing this thing to pull down. And looks like I must have suspected it's going down. I do not know why this is there. That's an error. Um, but we need to take this down to somewhere. So I guess I was favoring this area earlier. Let me go lower. Oh, there it is. That's probably what I was looking at. Um, but I still want to see something else here. Okay, so we're starting to get a downtrend. There it is. It's on the 9 hour. All right. So, yep, that's definitely uh, some resistance in there. They created a supply zone right here. Uh, so we'll just call that supply. And then we'll do this. All right, so this will be the supply zone here that I believe they're touching and they're going to start shorting. Looks like it's happening right now. We're looking at this real time. So as we come down, be prepared for the possibility of it pulling back here before it gets here. So this will be like the second opportunity for a TP. So I'm going to go ahead and set mine now to 63. Let's get out a little early. 85. All right. Cool. And then at 64.75, you guys can shave. So I'll shave off half there. Half of 130 is, what is that, 65? I believe so. Then I'll buy back half of it at 64.75. There we go. All right. So there you have it. I'm taking my chances with euro dollar, even though it's in a big picture trend. I'm going to take my chances with this counter trend trade. Remember, counter trend trades, you're going against the big picture trend, and it could spike back to the big picture trend at any moment. So you want to be careful. Now that we found this area, if price action opens and closes with a new candle, a green one, on this 9-hour chart, you exit the trade, because then that means it ain't working out. It's not as strong as I anticipated it's going to be. I need it to be strong enough to push us all the way down. So if it breaks this and creates a green candle above 66.25, then you just exit your trade. All right, or stop loss or trailing stop, but do something. As this thing starts going down, that's when you want to keep putting your trailing stop, just in case news or something comes out while you're sleeping. It spikes back up. You'll at least make something, and you won't be in drawdown if it goes past it. All right, so that's where I'm at. Talk to you guys again. Late.